In the given figure, a diode D is connected to an external resistance R is equal to 100 ohms. One diode is connected to the external resistance, that is the resistance is 100 ohms. An EMF of 3.5 ohm volt, if the barrier potential developed across the diode is 0.5 volt, the current in the circuit will be what we need to find. Okay, the EMF is 3.5 volts and the barrier it is across the potential developed is 0.5 volt. How much is the current it will be flowing in this particular circuit we need to find here. We know that the expression for the potential difference across the resistance R is, what is it? V is equal to 3.5 volts minus 0.5 volts, which is nothing but 3 volts. Then, the equation representing Ohm's law for this circuit is, that is I is equal to V by R. We know this one, where I is the current and V is the potential difference and R is the resistance. Then I is equal to V is equal to 3 and R is equal to 100. Then we get the answer 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 amperes, or we can write 30 milliamperes. So option B is the right answer.